2021 GMC 2500 HD. Basically, we gave him the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. They already busted this guy's window and stole his airbags out of the car. So we went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm, because what they did, they broke the window without opening any of the doors and jumped in. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window now after installing the shock sensor. Okay. And that will protect all the windows. This one has remote start from factory and everything, so you know, it's pretty nice. The only thing he needed was the shock sensor kit upgrade, because these factory alarms only work if the door is open. You can literally take a baseball bat and destroy this whole truck without opening any of the doors, and nothing's going to happen unless we add the shock sensor to it. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on this side now. Shock sensor is fully adjustable. I can make it as sensitive as I want. He doesn't want it too sensitive. He just wants it enough that if somebody breaks a window, it fires off. And then the remote start, I didn't install it, but I'll show you guys how it works in case some people have this little symbol, doesn't know what it means. If you hold this down for 3 seconds, it starts right up. Okay. And it's also, he wanted it so in case he gets out of the vehicle and close the door and walk away, it will arm itself. Actually, this truck from factory, you can enable that feature if you want the passive arming. See, they're already armed without me even doing anything to the remote control. That can be turned off if some people don't like that. But yeah, I mean, you can enable it if you want. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814 on this 2021 GMC pickup truck. Thank you for watching this video.